HouseHoo 3-in-1 Baby Nail Clipper Set. Safety Round by HouseHoo is one of the best sellers among baby nail care products. Safe for babies, the baby scissors nail has rounded tips and curved ends that protect you and your infant from injury with sudden movement. Everything needed for a baby manicure kit is here. Nail clipper, scissors, file are packed in one set. Two colors, pink and blue, are shipped randomly. Premium material, nail parts are made of stainless steel, making the infant nail clippers and scissors non-blunt and rust-free. Multiple uses. This infant scissors for nails are safe for all ages from newborns to toddlers. Designed for personal grooming, removing ear and nose hair and trimming nails, beard, mustaches, baby's hair, fingernails and pet fur. Easy to use, ergonomic handles to avoid slipping. Baby care kit items work without causing any discomfort. Satisfaction guarantee. The manufacturer promise. If you have any question about the baby clippers nail set, please feel free to contact them for help. Package included. 1x3-in-1 infant nail clipper set.